What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keenan2 Forex, and I'm back with another motherfucking video, man. What I'm about to say is applicable to really anything in life. So, time times volume equals skill. I remember in December of 2020 when I first started trading, first of all, I wasn't even trading Forex or indices. I was trading binary options. And as you can tell, I've grown a lot from that. I don't trade binary options anymore. I'm not doing retarded gambling anymore. I'm analyzing the market from a naked chart. And I've gotten to this point by the amount of volume and time I put into the charts. You will continuously get better at anything, especially when it comes to trading. If you're doing the right things over time and with an outrageous amount of volume or an outrageous amount of effort, you will get the skill. It is that fucking easy. I'm not saying Forex trading is easy, but it's that fucking easy. And not giving up when you feel fucking tired of this shit. I'm starting to see results. They're not money results, but they're results of the work I've been putting in. I'm starting to get it. I'm starting to really get how to trade ICT. How to trade one of the models, one of the concepts that I've learned. And I haven't been hopping from strategy to strategy. Because before this I was a supply and demand trader, and it just wasn't working out for me. I wasn't getting it as much as I got this. As much as I understand this, I never got it with supply and demand. And that's the most important part from that is I didn't stop. I didn't stop just because supply and demand wasn't working for me. I didn't just stop. I was searching for something that worked for me. And I finally found something that works for me, and it's starting to make a lot of sense. This only happens because of the amount of time and volume I put in. This only happens because I put in so much fucking effort into just finding something that works for me, that works with my type of style. When it comes to yourself, ask yourself, are you really putting in the volume that's necessary? If you're in sales, are you calling 200 people a day? Or are you calling 5 people a day and then calling it a day? You feel me? The only way to succeed in anything in life is time times volume. That creates unbeatable, unstoppable skill. It's not like there's a certain number of the amount of times you have to do something, or a certain amount of time that you have to be doing that thing for. You just have to fucking keep going and not stop. That's the whole fucking point of trading, bro. The whole point is to continuously keep learning, continuously better your strategy. Not changing it, but bettering it. Can you get better exits? Can you get better entry? And this is something that you'll learn and grasp over time, because for example, if you're just starting out trading, you're not gonna believe what I'm saying. Because you're not gonna believe that, oh yeah, I can get this over time, because you haven't been in the game long enough. You haven't been doing this long enough to really understand that it takes time. Everything will take time. Even this ICT journey that I'm on right now. It's not like I'm going to become an insane trader in the next year. I can. Volume times time, right? Well, let me rephrase that. It's not like I'm going to become a profitable trader in a month. Feel me? It's going to take a year, 2 years to really be consistently profitable. Only you will know when you cross that threshold. Only you will know. Only you will really start to be like, okay, I'm really starting to get it. I'm really learning the skill. You have to stop thinking that you're gonna get things straight away, because that's not how life works. If you look at all these great artists, if you look at Muhammad Ali, if you look at Jeff Bezos, even though he's a piece of shit, if you look at Elon Musk, they all started from zero. You know how many times Amazon failed? You know how many times, bro, you know how many times Amazon went bankrupt? They almost lost their company, their entire company. You will go through that. It's fucking inevitable. But the only way to build the skill to keep on growing is volume times time. Period. There's no other way around it. And I'm not saying this to say that I'm already at the end point of it. No, this is a continuous journey that I'm still learning, bro. I'm still going through this journey. I'm still doing my shit, you feel me? It's consistent repetition. It's not just repetition like, okay, I do this on Saturdays, I'm not gonna do it till next Saturday. It's consistent. Do it on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. repetition. Skill times time. I mean, time times volume times repetition equals skill. That's my little twist to it. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if not, peace out.